Hello, and welcome. Today we dive into a smarter way to handle everyday payments. You already pay with your phone at stores and cafes, it's convenient. But what if there was an even better way to cover your daily needs with your Pi? You know the Pi network. Now meet the app that brings it to life. It's called Pi Pay Bill. Recharge your phone, pay utilities, book flights and hotels in one place. The twist? You pay with Pi, at Pi's GCV price, turning digital assets into real-world actions. This isn't a far-off idea, it's happening right now. In this guide, we'll go step by step so you can use Pi easily and confidently. Technology should feel empowering, and Pi Pay Bill delivers. So what exactly is Pi Pay Bill? Think of it as a utility belt for your digital life. Built for pioneers, it lets you use Pi for everyday services. Not just a wallet, a full-service platform. Recharge, bills, flights, hotels, all in one interface. It's intuitive and accessible. No crypto expertise needed. You simply choose what you need, and the app walks you through. The place to do something tangible with the Pi on your phone, here and now. Let's dig into the GCV that powers these payments. We need to talk about GCV, the global consensus value. Crypto prices can swing. GCV aims to stabilize Pi for real purchases. For example, some in the community reference a target of $314,159 per Pi. Pi Pay Bill honors the GCV price when you pay. That gives your Pi meaningful purchasing power. Using GCV encourages broader acceptance by merchants and services. Every GCV price transaction strengthens the consensus. From recharges and bills to flights and hotels, do more with less Pi. Each time you confirm a GCV price payment, you help make that value more real for the community. This shared standard sets Pi Pay Bill apart, turning belief into usable value. Let's get practical with a mobile recharge. Tap Mobile Recharge. Enter the phone number carefully and double-check it. Choose your operator from the list for correct routing. Pick an amount or enter a custom value. See the instant Pi conversion at GCV price. Review details, then tap Confirm and Pay. Authorize in your Pi wallet. In moments, you'll get a recharge confirmation. That's Pi in action. Bills across sites and dates are a hassle. Pi Pay Bill brings them under one roof. Open bill payments. Choose your category: electricity, water, internet, gas, or TV. Select your provider from the list. Enter your account number exactly as shown on your bill. Choose full or partial. See the Pi equivalent at GCV. Review and pay. Approve in your Pi wallet. You'll receive a receipt while the provider updates your account. Ready to travel? Tap Flights. Enter where you're going, pick dates, and set passengers. Search to see flight options with clear details and pricing. Compare prices in your currency and in Pi at GCV. Select a flight and enter passenger details exactly as on ID. Review totals, then tap Confirm and Book. Authorize from your Pi wallet. Tickets issued, paid with Pi. Next, let's book a place to stay. Enter your destination, dates, rooms, and guests. Browse hotels with photos, ratings, and amenities. View pricing in currency and Pi at GCV. Open a listing, choose your room, and continue. Enter guest details, then review your booking summary. Tap Book. Now, authorize in your Pi wallet and you're set. Hotel paid with Pi. First, protect your Pi wallet passphrase. Use it only inside the official Pi wallet to authorize. Never share it or enter it on untrusted sites or apps. Always double-check numbers, providers, dates, and passenger names before confirming. Blockchain payments are generally irreversible. Keep Pi Pay Bill and Pi Browser updated for features and security. If you need help, use official support in the app. Enjoy a smooth, worry-free experience. We've explored Pi Pay Bill, a simple gateway from digital Pi to real services at GCV price. Every transaction strengthens the ecosystem and brings more businesses on board. Download the app and start small. Try a mobile recharge. Turn your digital effort into real-world value today.